It's summer 2025 and I have my top 10 choice for this year. Whether you want to clean the wheels, polish the paint, clean your car seats, I've got something for you. So let's jump right into it. By the way, click on the subscribe button. 70% of my viewers are not even subscribed, so do me a favor, click on the subscribe button right now. So let's start off with a banger this year. One of the best car soap for me this year has been Gion Restart Wash. So the winter is gone. Now, if you haven't done your spring cleaning, please do it in the summer. Use a decontamination soap such as Gion Restart Wash. Really good, has that iron remover ingredient in there to help you get a cleaner paint. So go check it out. By the way, I'll have the links for every single product mentioned in this video, so don't forget to use the code Dogma to save you some money. So because this is a decontamination shampoo, it does not have the best smell in the game. So if you're looking for the best smelling car soap, I highly recommend that you look for Semper from Labo Cosmetica. This has a men's cologne type of scent. If you're looking for berries type of scent or a Kool-Aid scent, Shampoo Plus by Armor Detail Supply. And lastly, another good recommendation is the Clean by Pan, which has a really citrus, very good scent as well, all right? Next up, when it comes to cleaning wheels, I've been really impressed. I've tried a new product this year. I'm a big fan of Gion Iron Wheel Evo, but now that I've found this product, it's pretty much as good or even better. So we'll have to test it out further down the line. But now I present you Auto Wheel by Bill Timber. Amazing product with, again, the iron decontamination ingredient. It does not smell that bad. It has some fragrance in there. Reminds me of a banana scent. Anyways, it smells good, it works great. It reacts with the iron particles stuck on your wheels really fast. So more on that later, but go check it out. Again, you can find this at carzilla.ca. Great wheel cleaner. I have no doubt that it can clean the dirtiest wheel that you can find. Product number 3, a drying aid. If you haven't played with drying aid before, I highly recommend it. After your wash, use a quick detailer type of product. That's gonna improve your car washing experience, add slickness, gloss, but this one has a little trick to it. It's from Koshemi FSC, all right? So this has a lime scale remover, pardon me, in this. So great quick detailer, super slick. Actually, I've been only recommending Armor Detail Supply Amplify in the past. So this is my favorite quick detailer or drying aid after the wash. The best experience in my opinion. But now since I have tried FSC, I fell in love with it at first glance. Really smooth, like I said. What I like about it is the lime scale remover. So sometimes in the summer with the heat or some unexpected sun, you might have some water that dries on your paint before you get to it. So highly recommend that you try this on this situation. Like I said, this is an acidic quick detailer. Use it carefully, but I have not seen any issue with it. And even my wife had asked me last time, what did you put on the car? I've used this. So crazy gloss, crazy slickness, and super effective to remove water spots. It's a good insurance to use these products, maybe once every third wash to make sure that your paint is really dialed in, all right? So Koshemi FSC, go check it out. And don't confuse yourself with its little brother, the quick detailer. This is quick detailer with lime scale remover. Product number 4, my friends, the last step in your maintenance routine should be the glass. And for this, I've been recommending before rinseless wash. They work great, but sometimes you don't have a diluted solution. So this is why I have a window cleaner always ready for me. And for this, I choose DIY Detail Crystal Clear. A very simple, affordable window cleaner that I like to have on my counter, always ready to go. Just pick it up and go to town. Sometimes you can be in a pinch, you have to deliver the car or whatever is happening. You need a quick solution to dial in your glass and move on to other things. So for this, I always have some Crystal Clear for DIY Detail. Does not streak and clean the glass just like I need it. All right, product number 5 is going to be for my hardcore viewers, the hardcore detailer. Those who like to pick up a machine once in a while. So this year have been trying a new compound, a better product than 3D1. In other words, the best OneStep so far, because you know guys, I've been trying lots of OneStep this year. the one that impressed me the most, that I've been enjoying the most, is Menzerna Cut Force Pro. Really nice, super easy to wipe off, cuts really hard and finish really great. So I've had a few paint corrections recently, and Menzerna Cut Force Pro really pulled me out of some nasty situations. To cut really hard with a rotary and a wool pad, I really like to use Menzerna Cut Force Pro. Leave the residue in the paint, switch to my DA with a foam pad, for example, an orange HDO. Maybe add a tiny bit of this, just go over your section, finish it off almost perfect on almost every paint this year. So really easy to remove the rotary swells with this. This is the new gold standard for Menzerna. So this brand, if you're unaware, is really focusing on their polishes, just like Kushemi, 3D, and so on. So as you can see, a 9 on the scale for cut and 9 out of 10 for finishes. If you're a professional and looking for the best or just trying something new, I highly recommend to check it out. Really easy to wipe off. Like I said, 3D one can be really unpleasant to wipe off because of the oils. This product feels like it has almost no oils. You can really see through your compound as you work with it. So like I said, very thin. I don't know what they did with the emulsion, with the type of cream, the base of that cream that it is in there, but it is crazy. And like I said, the cut is very impressive and the finish is crazy good. So just to finish off with paint correction, if you are facing really hard paint with deep defects and you're struggling with your preferred OneStep product, I highly recommend that you check out H9 by Kushemi. This, again, pulled me out of nasty situation where I was facing really hard paint. This is gonna really help you to fix those, and the finish is not that bad actually. Product number 7, the cherry on top, your favorite tire dressing. So by the way, I have a video coming soon where I compare 6 different tire dressing, just like last year, but with new tire dressing. So last year and still this year, I highly recommend that you check out Armor Detail Supply, Tire Plus. Semi-gloss type of finish. I really enjoy the way it feels. My Michelin sidewall, my Michelin PS4S. This is a velour sidewall. And great looking bottle, smells bubblegum, really good. Slightly thicker than most water-based tire dressing. I really hate the tire dressing that are too runny. So this one has some thickness to it. Like I said, great sprayer, great looking bottle, smells amazing, great shine on the tire. If the really matte tire is your style, I highly recommend that you check out Kamikaze tire dressing. This one is as matte as it can get for me. And if you just are looking for a thick gel to apply on tire that is still water-based, like a thick cream, I've been also really enjoying Onyx by NV Car Care. Great tire shine. So we'll have a comparison coming soon, like I said. Summer product number 8, a new product for 2025 from Kushemi, MZR. An all-purpose cleaner made for the interior, highly versatile, dilutable. I like to use it at 1:20. So for my pros at home, this is a 1 liter bottle that you can dilute at 1:20. So do the math, very economical, pH 12.5. I've been using it for a while now, cleaning disgusting interior, greasy steering wheels, greasy leather, greasy everything from the interior, guys. You know the game. So this product is awesome. It's also safe. If you have some overspray somewhere and you forget about it, it won't damage plastic or anything like that. Don't believe all the hype out there, but just be careful if you're working outside in dark sun and you're working on really hot plastic. Just be careful. So if you're cleaning a lot of nasty car and you're looking for the best dilutable interior APC, I highly recommend that you check out MZR by Kushemi. This brand, you already know the reputation. Great product, really loved it so far. Product number 9 for car detailing enthusiasts. My friends, if you are facing dirty carpets or dirty fabrics in general, I highly recommend that you check out Fabric Cleaner. This is a ready-to-use version. This is made specifically for fabric. So I've been working with this for a while now, cleaning carpets with salt residue or just nasty carpet in general. This is great because this is not too foamy, because I use an extractor. This does not create too much foam, and you can use this if you have, let's say, some light stain. You can just use the vacuum, pre-treat your carpet with this, and just blot the area with your microfiber and leave it be. So easy to use, cleans really well. I'm very impressed so far with this. I've been talking about it a few times recently, so you can still give it a try whenever you need. Now to get back to the personal vehicle maintenance, something to maintain your interior. Let's say for example, once a month, something that lathers under the brush or the scrub pad, something that is easy to use, that works every time, that does not need a wet towel to remove any residue. I highly recommend that you check out PNS Express. This is starting to be old school, but I still really enjoy using this product for something that is not too dirty, something with just a little bit of shine on the leather. I always pick up this. It's great to use. Like I said, no need for a wet towel. This product is made to be left alone and, like I said, works every time. Again, PNS Express, great interior product for pretty much anyone out there who likes to detail their own interior. All right, my friends, so if you want to discover 9 products that nobody knows about, go check out that video right here.